When looking at online self-directed brokerages in Canada, understanding the fee structure is crucial for maximizing your investment returns. A common question among Canadian investors is whether Questrade charges commissions when buying or selling Canadian exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. The short answer is no. Questrade offers zero-commission trading for online purchases of both Canadian and US-listed ETFs. This means when you buy Canadian ETFs through your self-directed account, you will not pay a trade commission fee. However, it is important to distinguish between buying and selling commissions versus other potential fees. While purchasing Canadian ETFs online is commission-free, selling them also incurs no commission. Even so, investors should always keep a few additional details in mind. First, while buying and selling Canadian-listed ETFs online is free, completely different asset classes or specific types of specialized orders, such as options contracts or international non-US exchanges, may still carry separate fee schedules. Additionally, while Electronic Communication Network, or ECN, fees can sometimes apply to certain US market orders depending on liquidity routing, standard online orders for Canadian-listed securities do not face these extra ECN charges. Furthermore, keep in mind that the ETF providers themselves charge an internal management expense ratio, or MER, which is separate from your brokerage platform. That fee goes directly to the fund manager rather than Questrade. With no minimum account balance requirements for self-directed accounts and free ETF purchases, Questrade eliminates standard ticket charges, making it a cost-effective option for both beginner and experienced investors building long-term portfolios with Canadian ETFs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.